Hello guys, welcome back with our new video. In this video, I'll help you how to fix a iPhone Ghost Touch. So guys, if your iPhone Touch is automatically working, then I'll help you how to fix. So guys, I'll help you how to fix your problem. So guys, you can easily fix your problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, you need to when your iPhone Touch is automatically working, means Ghost Touch is appear on iPhone, then guys simply you need to click on volume up button, and after this you need to click on volume down button and click and hold on power button until Apple logo is appear. So guys, I am clicking on here, you can see volume up and volume down, and click and hold on power button until Apple logo is appear. So guys, after appearing Apple logo, you need to release your power button, and after this your problem will be fixed. So wait for a few seconds, and here you can see now Apple logo is appear. So guys, after this you need to release your power button. So and wait for your iPhone opening, and wait for a few seconds for its opening, and check that my your problem will be fixed. So wait for a few seconds, and now you can see my iPhone is opened, and when you open it, then your iPhone will be automatically fine. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.